Hello my YouTube family, welcome to my channel Clay Magic Vibe. So friends, in today's video I'm going to make a delicious little soft cake, a tiny one. First of all, take some clay and make it into a round patty. Shape it nicely into a circle. I'll quickly make one here. After that, take another clay piece of a different color and roll it into a patty as well. I'm making a white one. Now place the white patty on top of the pink one like this, so it looks as if there's cream inside the cake. I've set it like this, and then trim off any extra material to give it a neat finishing. Next, make another patty, this time in the first color, pink, and place it on top like this. Then I made another one and set it on top again. And finally, one more pink patty which I placed in the same way, layer by layer. At the end, we'll decorate it with a jam berry. I've made a small red berry and I'm placing it on top like this. It adds beauty and gives it a delicious feel. You can add more little red berries on top for balance and decoration. And lastly, let's add some candles. I've placed 2 candles here, and now the final one. And there you go, our cake is completely ready. So friends, let me know in the comments how you liked this cake. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos.